Mustang coupe.
And of course you can buy all of your memorabilia here.
I don't know why, but I just found that one very attractive. I don't know why, I just thought it was cool. Video, wait, do we have numbers? We got numbers.
We got numbers.
All right, she wanted to be on. Now, tell them about what you're selling. Tell them what you're selling. Yeah, oh, come on.
I just wanted to say what's up.
Don't say it that way? Oh, you're not allowed to say selling? All right, we're not selling anything. We're just giving information. Go ahead, give it to them.
You know, we're just here.
What?
But I'm Jordan, guys.
And what?
Follow me on Instagram, Jordan, JORDYNX_O.
Who you represent? You're not going to say?
Me.
Oh, okay, she's
I'm
representing herself. Okay, this is.
Keith Elaine.
And what do you do?
I sell hot and cold therapeutical packs.
Now, I know I don't normally cover this kind of stuff on MustangMedic, but when you got a really cool product, and you know me, I'm like the shameless promoter. I can't help myself. It's such a cool product. I checked it out that you guys should check it out. How did they find out about it?
Go to my website. It's
Well,
right
tell
there,
them.
the Wonder
Well,
Packs.
just say it. Just say it.
Wonderpacks.com.
Okay, wonderpacks.com. Again, I'm giving you the type because I'm a good editor, so you guys wouldn't miss it. Check him out. He's got a good product, and tell him what it does. They don't really
It's
know what
hot
it
cold
does.
therapy. It's good for aches and pains. It's good for muscle stimulation.
And it's how many
reusable.
Yeah, how many reuses can you do?
10-year warranty.
10-year warranty?
Take care of it. It'll last you forever.
Let me see the thing. This thing, I just broke it open, and then it heats up to what temperature?
130 degrees.
How long does it hold 130?
Little ones an hour, larger ones 2 hours.
And you got a 10-year warranty on it?
Yes, sir.
How much is it right now? Do you want to put the price on the video?
Nah,
no?
come check me out.
Check them out because things adjust. But again, really cool product. I can't help myself. If I think something's cool, I'm going to share it with you guys. It's my lot in life.
Yep.
All right, so I've showed you a lot of production cars. Well, check out this extraterrestrial vehicle. I'm trying to pronounce it correctly.
And there it is. Look at this thing. It's so, I'm gonna have to back up from it just so you guys can actually see what this thing looks like. And look at this crazy car. ET. That is the craziest looking thing. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's so unique I had to show it to you. Look at that. Somebody knows how to work fiberglass.